All right, we got, what's your name?
Vinny.
Vinny, let's go,
Yeah,
dude.
what up, man?
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Having a sick day?
Dude, it's sweet.
Dude, it's so sick in here.
You got a really good day for the snow. They've been having a couple ups and downs, but they nailed it today. It's awesome.
Oh, let's go. Today is sick. What's up, guys? We're back at the Snowdome in the parking garage, and we're ready for day 2 of this trip. It's gonna be super sick. And to make it even sicker, our boy Mark showed up. What up, Mark?
What's going on?
This dude's rocking 2 one-wheels. I'm so excited. I've never rode one of these. I have no idea. I'm just gonna jump on it.
Yeah, I would. Don't just leave your front foot on.
Oh. And then you go backwards too, right? Right, switch. Oh, switch. It's like, how do you turn this thing?
You gotta nose into your turns, like lean a little into your turns. So when you're on, it's like that. Once you take that one sensor off, it deactivates.
Oh. Dude, you can go so fast on this thing.
The heel toe, I think that's what got me with it.
Oh, dude, you got this. Dude, I want one of these so bad. Because, like, I see people bombing mountain bike trails on these things, which, as I do it, sounds terrifying. But at the same time, this is so... To get around, just to chill, like, on this thing, this is so easy. The turning is way easier than I thought it would be. Dude, you're killing it. Now that kid in your neighborhood doesn't seem so cool, right?
Stopping is the hard part.
Yeah, stopping and getting off. Oh, this one feels wobbly when you start to cook it. All right, this is a ton of fun, and Mark, you're the man for bringing these. Thank you. But we're here to snowboard, so let's go snowboard. Let's go. Alright guys, so the park is sick. We've been ripping the park, but we want to come over to the one run they have in the Snowdome, and like rip some turns. Hopefully we can. I don't know what the snow's gonna be like, but the snow in the park this should be sick. only, or hopefully that run looks as insane as it felt. That was like hard charging, big tricks.
It was sick.
Dude, you were right there. I heard you the whole run.
I was there.
Dude, Jonathan's filming. Every time we do a run, it gets better and better and better. Obviously, because we're figuring out how to ride and work it with each other. This season's gonna be insane. So subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Dude, you killed it.
Dude, you're the one doing the crazy riding.
All right, guy. Dude, you having a sick day?
Sick day.
Dude, so sick. This place is incredible. So I've always, forever, since they've popped up, wanted to snowboard in a Snowdome. I didn't talk about this yesterday, and if you missed yesterday's video, check it out. But dude, GoPro battery died. I'm not used to filming in cold weather. You know, those batteries don't last as long. But dude, I've always wanted to snowboard in a Snowdome, and it's literally sicker than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be kind of like not that sick, and honestly guys, this is so sick. It's September, like literally riding snow. How do they get the snow in here? I still don't know. Comment down below, how did they get the snow in here? But it's fire, and we're having a blast. And I could keep saying it's really good and really fun, but you guys like won't know until you come do it yourself. Snowboarding in a Snowdome. We need our own Snowdome. That's what this whole trip is making me realize, like, let's build our own Snowdome, guys. Let's do it. I saw you hit the volcano, dude. Who are you? Let's get a shot of Greg, because Greg came on the trip with us. Greg's a beast. And let's do it. Alright guys, so they do everything by like 2-hour sessions here. We just did a 2-hour session. And we're gonna do another one today because we want to keep snowboarding. And we came all this way. But we're thirsty, so before we start another 2-hour session, we're gonna take a quick break, get something to drink, and dude, this is so fun. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Dude, it's so fun.
Practice,
dude, it is great practice. I want you to know, me and Jonathan are getting ready for the heaviest season of all time. I wonder if their concessions are resort price concessions. Let's find out. They have s'mores for $12. So we actually have ridden a ski bike before, but it was like an actual bike. I've never seen, like, we didn't do these scooter type ones. Should we try one of the scooter type like ski bikes? Check out our video rocking the ski bike and let me know, should we do another one? Everything that happened in this video so far was the first 2 hours. We got 2 more hours. I don't know, we might have to film some extra videos. Dude, Jonathan's a genius. I think we figured out how to make the snow. There's these things, like these things on every single, like, and we were talking about like this music. They play music at the bottom, but they don't play music up here. It's blaring down there. You can't hear it at all here. And we're saying like they should have a speaker up here. And we're like, well, look at these speaker things. And then we noticed there's like actual tubes going to them. And then it makes it, that might be how they make the snow. Mind blown. That's so cool.
Those are water lines that run across, and then every single one has one.
I'm gonna ask them. I'm figuring out how to make a snow dome, guys. We're gonna figure this out. speed patrol. That's so sick. We got Gabe. Woo! We got Christiane. And they're locals, right? Jersey.
Yeah, Jersey.
Let's go.
Jersey represent, bro.
I think so.
Dude, you guys can ride gear around. How insane is that?
It's
Yeah,
insane,
pretty
bro.
cool.
I come in shorts and I bring my board.
Come in shorts for your board. You're gonna get so good at snowboarding because you can snowboard every single month out of the year.
Yes,
Yeah, we practice here all the time.
Let's go. I've never done that before. So we're getting towards the end of the day. It's been insane. Mark got us all warmed up with the one wheels, and then we've just been going run after run after run. Like, you literally can get so many laps in the Snowdome. It's insane. Like, if you're a kid and you're learning how to hit jumps or a box or a rail, you could literally get 100 in a day or close to that if you just hard charge and buy a bunch of 2-hour sessions. This has been so much fun. It's honestly like, how many laps in an hour you think? Like close to like 15.
15 to 20.
Yeah, it's like 15-20 laps an hour and you get a 2-hour session. If you don't stop and you like hard charge, like, which is what we've been doing. My eyes are getting tired. That's how I know like I've had a sick days when my eyes get tired. But we have like 30 minutes left, so let's get it. Dug in, but I still like forced the home. So on the rainbow rail, I'm trying to do a full 360 while on the rail. That last time I was so close. I watched the video back and I thought I did it, but I did it off of the rail. I want a 360, the whole thing on the rail. Let's see if we can get it before we have to get out of here. So bad, I gotta pee. So bad. Alright guys, this one's Chipmunk. I have to go to the bathroom so bad, but I can't pee in the trees. So we gotta kill it. Hopefully I don't slam like I just did, because that made me have to go to the bathroom so bad. I wasn't expecting a slush slasher in here. Let's go. Alright, Chipmunk, here we go. Alright guys, what a sick day. Big shout out to Jonathan for filming. Dude killed it today. We didn't get the full 360 the way I want it. But we still have 2 more days here. We can get that. Roman killed it today. We came out and that dude was shredding. And can't wait for you guys to see Roman riding. And we're gonna bring Roman out to ride probably the chairlift. I think he's almost ready for the chairlift. Oh, that could be insane. I think we're gonna do a sticker shout out. I know that. Changing plans that we're actually gonna do a gear shout out. We got Transformers rules with the white and black Evolution hat, looking so sick. Guys, if you want an Evolution hat or an Evolution sticker, hoodie, t-shirt, face mask, long sleeves, so much gear, guys. It's all linked in the description. If you snag any of it, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. I think we're gonna end the video in here in the Snowdome. This place is insane and we're having so much fun. Please smash like because we traveled all the way to the East Coast. This is the 3rd time this year I've gone to the East Coast to go snowboarding. So guys, give me some likes for that. And then if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel because our goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible. Let's go. Crazy. It is so sick to see. Subscribe to the channel like those guys. And other than that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, follow my Instagram, tag me on Instagram, and then follow my Instagram. I post a bunch of extra sick content there. You gotta check out my Instagram, especially my stories. They're super sick and super fun.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.
Here we go. Whoa.